This is the most crowded year in space history, not for launches, for arrivals. 9 spacecraft, 9 worlds. One of them exploded. Watch the calendar. May 15th, a spacecraft called Psyche skimmed past Mars. It came within 4,000 kilometers of the surface and never slowed down. It was stealing speed. Mars gave it 1,600 kilometers per hour for free. 4 days later, a telescope called SMILE launched to photograph Earth's magnetic shield. Then on May 29th, New Glenn exploded, not in flight, on the pad during a static fire test. There was no payload aboard, but the schedule it was carrying is gone. July 4th, Tianwen 2 reached an asteroid, stopped 20 kilometers away, and waited. The asteroid is called Kamoʻoalewa. It may be a chunk of our own moon. It will try something never done before, anchor itself to the rock, and hold on. Next April, it takes up to 1 kilogram home. Then it leaves for a comet. The day after it arrived, Hayabusa 2 flew past a different asteroid at 800 meters. August 30th, the Roman Space Telescope launches on a Falcon Heavy. Its mirror is exactly the same size as Hubble's, 2.4 meters. Its field of view is more than 100 times wider. Same eye, 100 times more sky, 300 megapixels at a time, and it is flying 9 months early, which almost never happens. November, Hera reaches the asteroid we hit on purpose. Subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and tell me which arrival you want covered. In 2022, we slammed a spacecraft into that little rock on purpose. It shortened the rock's orbit by 33 minutes. But nobody knows how much that rock weighs, so nobody knows how well it worked. Hera is going to weigh it and photograph what we did to it. Because the impact did not just push it, it reshaped it into something like a watermelon. November 21st, Bepi Colombo finally stops at Mercury. 8 years and 1 month of flying, 9 gravity assists. Getting into orbit at Mercury takes more energy than a mission to Pluto. You are falling toward the sun the entire way, and you have to keep braking. Also in November, a Japanese mission launches for Phobos, a moon of Mars. It will spend about 2.5 hours on the surface, grab 10 grams, and leave. And late in the year, Chang'e 7 heads for the lunar South Pole. It carries a hopper that jumps 10 kilometers into craters that never see sunlight. 9 missions, 9 destinations, 1 year. And here is the strange part, not one of them will land on the moon. Humans only got near the moon again in April, after 53 years away. That story is worth its own video.